In this video, we listed the 5 best TKL keyboards on Aliexpress that are available on the market for their true quality. Actually, I tried to make the list based on their popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you need more information about these products, please check the description section below and don't forget to subscribe to our channel to get future reviews. It's done, let's dive into the video. Number 1. DrunkDeer G65 Mechanical Keyboard. The DrunkDeer G65 is a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard designed for speed and stability. Featuring innovative magnetic switches with rapid trigger technology, each key has a separate sensor for ultra-responsive and accurate command execution, particularly advantageous in FPS games. The keyboard's PBT, ABS keycaps and customizable RGB lighting add both durability and aesthetics. The patented shock-absorbing tray mount structure enhances overall typing experience. Measuring at 310mm *102mm *30mm and weighing 580 g, the G65 boasts a 65% ANSI layout with a linear magnetic switch type. DrunkDeer aims to empower users to maximize their gaming potential and performance through their innovative keyboard designs. Number 2. DrunkDeer A75 Pro. The DrunkDeer A75 Pro is a high-performance mechanical gaming keyboard featuring magnetic switches with hot swap functionality and a unique knob design. The keyboard boasts a rapid trigger system that ensures immediate key activation and deactivation for precise gameplay in FPS games. With ultra-response speed and individual sensors for each key, the keyboard offers enhanced accuracy and efficiency in executing commands. The PBT keycaps and all-area magnetic switch design provide durability and customizable RGB lighting options. The keyboard's tray mount structure with patented shock-absorbing technology ensures a comfortable typing experience without compromising internal space. Additionally, the keyboard offers adjustable actuation distance, durable PBT double-shot keycaps, and support for both Mac and Windows operating systems, making it a versatile choice for gaming enthusiasts. Number 3. Asus ROG RX TKL Keyboard. The ROG Ranger RX TKL wireless keyboard is specifically crafted for FPS gaming enthusiasts, offering a range of features to enhance the gaming experience. It boasts a unique third mock examination connection function, allowing seamless connection to up to 3 devices via Bluetooth or 2.4 GHz wireless mode with 76 hours of low-latency gameplay. The keyboard features the ROG RX optical mechanical axis with centralized RGB lighting effects on the red and blue axes, ensuring stable and consistent keystrokes with minimal delay. Designed for FPS gameplay, the TKL layout conserves desktop space and includes an enlarged control key for easy access. The dual-color transparent PBT keycaps provide durability, while the durable frosted aluminum alloy build ensures longevity. Additional features include invisible keys for privacy protection, quick switching shortcut keys, and a magnetic palm rest for comfortable gaming sessions. Certified by various standards, this keyboard offers hot swappable switches and a versatile interface suitable for various devices, making it a versatile and high-performance gaming accessory from Asus. Number 4. AULA F87 Mechanical Keyboard. The AULA F87 Mechanical Gaming Keyboard is a versatile keyboard designed for gamers and enthusiasts. Available in wired and wireless versions, this keyboard features 87 keys with a sleek and compact design. The keyboard offers various connection options including wired, 2.4G USB, and Bluetooth. It comes with customizable RGB backlighting and durable PBT keycaps in an OEM profile. The keyboard boasts a 4000 mAh battery for wireless use and supports hot swappable switches. Additionally, the F87 includes adjustable foot support and convenient side buttons for a user-friendly experience. Overall, the AULA F87 is a feature-rich keyboard suitable for both casual and competitive gamers. Number 5. SKYLOONG GK61 Keyboard. The SKYLOONG GK61 mechanical keyboard, also known as SK61, is a compact 60% layout mechanical keyboard designed for gamers and gaming desktop setups. It features hot swappable gate-run optical switches on the SK61 model and traditional mechanical switches on the SK61S model. The keyboard includes RGB backlighting, ABS keycaps, arrow keys, N-key rollover, and anti-ghosting for enhanced gaming performance. The keyboard is also equipped with IPX6 dustproof mainboard design and ABS material keycaps for durability. It offers customizable RGB lighting effects, Win+ Mac layout compatibility, and a Type-C interface for stable connections. The keyboard comes with various features such as 16.8 million RGB backlight colors, programmable keys, and ergonomic design for comfortable gaming experiences. Additionally, the package includes a variety of specifications, warranty and refund policies, as well as information on shipping and handling. It is a versatile option for those looking for a customizable and efficient gaming keyboard.